Good afternoon to everybody. Now, in atomic structure chapter, now first of all discuss about Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory, that means quantum theory was proposed by Planck to explain the black body radiation and photoelectric effect. Max Planck in 1900 proposed the quantum theory. In 1901, Max Planck initiated quantum physics by presenting his quantum theory. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918. According to this theory, to explain the black body, first of all, what is meant by black body? Black body means it is a perfect absorber and perfect emitter of radiation. Such body is called black body. Black body absorb 100% energy and emit 100% radiation. Such body is called black body. According to Planck's quantum theory, the radiant energy is not emitted or absorbed continuously. That means the radiant energy is emitted or absorbed by a body discontinuously. That means it is emitted or absorbed in the form of wave packets. Such packets are called quanta. Such packets are called quanta. Second postulate is in case of light, the smallest packet of energy that is called photon, but in general case, the smallest packet of energy is called quanta or quantum. Next, third postulate is energy. Third postulate is the amount of energy associated with quantum of radiation is directly proportional to the frequency of radiation. That means the energy of each quantum is directly proportional to frequency of the radiation. E represents the energy of the radiation and mu represents the frequency of radiation. Therefore, E is directly proportional to nu. E is equal to some constant h into nu, where h means Planck's constant. In joules, h is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second, or 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second. Next postulate is total amount of energy. Total amount of energy transmitted from one body to another will be some integral multiple of energy of a quantum. That means a body can emit or absorb only in terms of integral multiple of a quantum. That equation is E is equal to NH nu, where N means number of quanta or number of quantum. It is always integral value. That values are 1, 2, 3. This is the main postulates of Planck's quantum theory. Electromagnetic radiation have several characteristics. First characteristic is frequency. Frequency means the number of waves passing through a point per second, that is called frequency. Units of frequency is second inverse or hertz. Second property is wavelength. Wavelength means the distance between two adjacent crests or two adjacent troughs, that is called wavelengths. The units of wavelengths are meters. Relationship between energy and wavelength. That means frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. Therefore, mu is equal to c by lambda. Mu represents the frequency of radiation. C represents the velocity of light. That value is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second or 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, and lambda represents the wavelength of the radiation. According to Planck's quantum theory, E is equal to h nu. Nu means c by lambda. Therefore, the equation is changes to E is equal to sc by lambda. Thus, greater the wavelength of radiation, lower will be the energy. That means wavelength and energy inversely proportional to each other. Inversely proportional to each other. Wavelength increases, energy decreases. Wavelength decreases, energy increases. Next property is wave number. Wave number means the reciprocal of the wavelength, that is called wave number. That means the number of waves occupy 1 centimeter length, that is called wavelength. Wave number. Wave number is represented by nu bar. Wave number nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. The units of wave numbers are angstroms or nanometers. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meters. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meters. Relationship between wave number and wavelength and energy. We know that wave number nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. Therefore, E is equal to hc nu bar. Thus, energy of radiation is directly proportional to wave number. That means energy of radiation E is directly proportional to wave number. E is directly proportional to nu bar. That means E is equal to sc nu bar. Energy of radiation increases, so wave number also increases. This is the main characteristics of electromagnetic radiation.